Hey, I'm Sarah, head gardener at Frost Farms. I'm here on location in Southwest Harbor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to plant some bulbs. Off the bat, you're definitely going to want bone meal. It's an all-natural plant food. You sprinkle it in each one of the holes you dig to stimulate root growth. We're going to do a fun red, white, and blue theme for this park, starting with the daffodil. So the daffodil wants to be at least 6 inches in the ground. It's a great cut flower, deer resistant, and this particular variety is double blooming, meaning extra petals and a double trumpet. Next up, the tulip. Also a great cut flower, you can plant in full sun for brighter colors or partial shade for longer lasting blooms. Last is the hyacinth. This little guy only wants to be about 3 inches in the ground. They're highly fragrant and look really pretty on the border of your garden. The number one tool you'll want for planting bulbs or in the garden in general is the Hori Hori. It's got your measurements, a serrated edge for cutting through roots, and it's sharp for all your weeding. And don't forget to water your bulbs all the way through after planting. Find your plant passion in Town Hill or online at frostfarmsmdi.com. Thank you for watching and happy planting.